Excellency, on a due to the far distance where they're going, some of them have gone home.
To the people of Orumba North, as long as the governorship hopeful of the All Progressives Congress APC Prince Nicholas Ukachukwu, there was no light in Zion, and darkness could not deter them from receiving Ikukuoma in their midst. The people gathered and refused to disperse even as dusk gradually faded to night and darkness. Finally, and as expected, Nicholas Ukachukwu and his entourage arrived as scheduled. The patience of the people became a show of love for Nicholas Ukachukwu.
All the people here, a lot of them came out to see who you are for the first time. But His Excellency, without wasting much of the time, I want to call on Honorable Paul Ogu to say a little welcome to you before you address our people. Paul, please, Honorable, please. ABC! Progress! ABC! Progress! Progress! In fact, you people have demonstrated pure love with Ikukuoma. For being here since 4 o'clock, since this moment. For being here since 1 o'clock p.m. today, waiting for the incoming governor, have demonstrated enough love for him. And this has shown to Ikukuoma and Orumba North. Thank you. Orumba North is one of the local governments. I'm a local 10 appointee from the present government. But I would say not much. Ikukuoma Begota. The wind of glory. Ikukuoma Gekusando Orumba North. Ogbania? Ogbania? Agbarumunu today. We have been on since yesterday, making this arrangement today. At the end of the day, Mekoka principal and happy here. But today, our principal is here. Yes. Nkago Siri now. You see, oh, Tona didn't be done. Our moon data. Now, you are meeting on my word today. Abamu now, Orumba North has come to the river Ikukuoma. Ogbania? Abamu and a lot of campaigns. Unu came from a club, a kid almost an hour. Abamu yesterday, knows how to wake up. Hey, guy, come Ogbania? Omonoyega will work with those an hour. If I do today, now, here now, I quantify the name approved now the House of Assembly in the budget. Ogbania, I went to nothing at the storm because in a year to good that I'm not going to on your good get on November 8.
Nicholas Ukachukwu, filled with joy and happiness, broke into a song. Ikukuoma most humbly apologized for his unintentional lateness.
I am sorry that I'm late this way. We're actually trying to see if we can change the date. Because I told him earlier that my time was very short. But because of love we have, and then because of them love they have, we insisted we must be here today. And him alone, For you to stay till now, sure, not to change in Anambra. And that change in
The wind of glory.
Every politician mandate here.
Ukachukwu assured the Orumba North that despite lies being peddled by detractors and opponents that APC is non-existent in Anambra State, the president and national leader of All Progressives Congress, APC, Ahmed Bola Tinubu, had confided in him his belief and conviction that APC is real in Anambra State and also strong.
When Tinubu biara Anambra na 8th of May, immediately all in Abuja, he called me. He sent a text. My brother called me and said, the president wants to see me. Finally, when that discussion said, I was happy that what they are telling me about Anambra was what it is. That the current government told me that there's no APC in Anambra. But when I came to Anambra, I saw my people. And I know that this one, they are my people. And they were excited to see me as their father. But they say, Nicholas, your governor was telling me when we were going to the airport that those crowds that waited for me before my arrival and waited for me as I was going, cheering me up with happiness and joy, that they are rated crowd. He said, I don't know whether anyone knows whether I'm a politician or not. Because when you see a rated crowd,
We know.
and they are not patient,
The wind of the glory.
they will go. This is not a rated crowd. This is organic movement.
Organic.
Anambra State must be.
Nicholas Ukachukwu promised to establish a special dairy farm for special animal milk production, among other huge agro benefits to the people.
And open I build that business. So Sunday he neri, makabu here na azu kanu for no gauge meme. And today here you put from Netherlands data makamu na ndo charge around na my partners, before he security, they say, I mentioned, I saw before I video. Ebido that business. How a year I put it from Netherlands, play the game, you put it. I have told my in the a year I done one. Here I travel just from why I think I name. Oh, can make out to Anna to my email without a year for Yambo. Oh, you just see me. A year I'm one. Every day, oh yeah, about 50 liters of milk and above. Oh, yeah, KG, make milk. Oh, they make butter. Oh, they make cheese. All the kids go ya move them one talk enough. Milk and a buzz up to soya. Or was the other
Ikukwama shared with Ndi Orumba the magnitude of the contribution to the internally generated revenue of Anambra State without commensurate development or government attention.
Orumba North and South they waited every month. For how many years I don't know. When I calculated it, put together, on to about 50-something billion naira. All right. And Orumba is here. Over 50-something billion naira. Time has come for us to make a change and make that change with those who know. Orumba North and South, for many years. One way or the other, if government will involved. Let's go and win. And when we win, Anambra will be better.
Ukachukwu encouraged the people to take the campaign to their individual polling units in their various wards and make sure that they convince enough people on the need to vote for change by voting for All Progressives Congress, APC. There is a package he promised for those that will do well in this regard.
Every polling booth to Bruce and waited 100 people. And they had checked, you found 100 people down of there. And they're ready to vote for us, make confirmation. That polling booth, they went to work for me, 1 million naira.
So therefore, 10 of you again.